cold sweats in the middle of the night, and flashbacks of you and I in your sweats. How'd you make me feel so?
Hello guys, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adanna. If today is your first time of seeing my videos, thank you so much. Welcome to this tribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for your support. All right, this is our normal weekly vlogs, and like you said in the other clips, I'm just coming back from a workout section, and I love the feeling. You know, there's this workout group that is just close to my house here. I joined them a couple of times, but they're not just giving me the vibe I need. It's like a community, but they are dulling me. So I decided to check another that is still within the vicinity. And guys, it's amazing. Like, there are no regrets at all because their workout is very intensive, the motivation is there, their coach are very good, full of energy. Everybody's treated the same way. There are old people, there are young people, there are children everywhere, and everybody does what they are asked to do. Nobody is treated specially. Like they say jump, you jump. They say dance, you dance, and it's just what I need right now. If you're one of those who, like, you don't eat healthy, you don't exercise, yeah, are you human at all? How will you survive? How do you do it? Because I am not understanding. How do you do it? Anyways, that's besides the point. I have a colleague that today is his wedding, and we'll be going. This is like my first wedding in 2021, and I'll be taking you guys along. So sit back, relax, and come with me on this journey, because you know how we do it here. I'll definitely take you guys along. Meanwhile, this is what my room looks like. You see those clothes over there? They're all washed, waiting to be picked up or scattered, but we'll get it fixed. And then I have my reading table. Wait, let me get it. Like, I have my reading table down there. But guys, we'll get this mess sorted out. Let's get going with today's activities. I'll see you guys. Don't move, don't go anywhere. I'll see you guys.
I wanna feel cold in the morning, stealing covers off of me, and I don't even need a warning, cause girl I won't go back to sleep. I just wanna feel you on my chest, savoring each breath. I wanna drink wine in the evening, singing all our favorite songs, and I don't need to chase a feeling, cause you already knocked the edge off. And I just wanna dance around the room, loving only you. Oh, every imperfection, every scar, not a thing could change the person you are. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. I wanna stay home on the weekend when all our friends are going out, cause I don't see the need for speaking when you can just kiss me with your mouth. I don't need to try and pass the time, cause it's already flying by. I wanna be close when you need me, but no one else could understand. And when we have a house and a family, I'll still hold on to your hand. I'll still look you in the eyes like the first time. Imperfection, every scar, not a thing can change the person you are. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. Oh, every conversation easy or hard, not a word could ever tear us apart. your lips. I wanna hold on tightly until the daylight ends. I wanna love you in the evening until the next day comes. And every single moment I wanna love you more. I wanna see you in the morning, I wanna kiss your lips. I wanna hold on tightly until the daylight ends. I wanna love you in the evening until the next day comes. And every single moment I wanna love you more. Oh, every imperfection, every scar, not a thing could change the person you are. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. Oh, every conversation easy.
You don't know who you carry my MC this occasion. If you let me best, it's not this people who are spending here, they're highly triple. If I call any of them, then they call you now. Any of
You and I both know what's going on. No secret there, it's in the air. It's getting harder to ignore, to pretend we're unaware. Will we ever get out of no man's land? Will you ever cross the line and take my hand? I've been waiting for you to let me in. You're playing with time and
Adanna, so you're looking for me or what? I was looking for you now. I didn't finally know I was the one. I'm not, man, so head I see. I can't say. As I see head, I can't say anyhow. Say you go down around the circle.
I'm wondering if you'll ever be mine and more than my friend, but not just yet. I'll stay silent. Oh, waiting, no man's land. Oh, waiting, no. Oh, waiting, no, 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 no. Waiting, no man's land. Oh, waiting, no man's land. Oh, waiting, no man's land. Oh, waiting, no, 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 no. Waiting, no man's land. I see the way you look at me.
Thank you. Marine people to say.
Let us groom in town. Say hi. Come on, babe. That's how they dance. Where you pull up for waist. What did they think? Just that's what I know. Sit down for GM.
Damn, if you pick up your phone, 500.
Baby. Yes. Oh, say cheese, baby. Say cheese, baby. Why are you shy? Oh yeah, look the camera. We're not shy here. Say cheese. see how beautiful she looks.
That's
This is the latest bride in town.
Cold sweats in the middle of the night and flashbacks of you and I in your sweats. How'd you make me feel so nice? Now I'm starting to see this new guy, but it just don't feel right, even though he might be. And you're so bad for me, but I want your love every morning, waking up with him, but I wish you'd call me. I still miss our street. Like, you'll come over text at midnight, rolling out of bed for your lines, putting glitter on my blind eyes. Loving you wasn't as it seemed, and finding good and bad and ugly. Deep down knowing you don't love me, I'd live again before the morning. Loving you was a fever dream. I must have been so sick for your touch to be the fix. Fell in love with being used. I wish showers, me with gifts and flowers, but I miss taking showers with you. But you're so
The grace.
chop this like before you chop seed.
I swear.
Chop this like. Today I got to know about Casablanca Road, okay? Okay.
No, it's not the best me. Martin.
Yeah, so I'm back, and like I was saying, this is my first wedding in 2021, so this was quite eventful. You know, in Port Harcourt, the highest anyone can stay out is 8:30. That's because there is curfew in Port Harcourt, in the city of Port Harcourt. Every other LG is in Port Harcourt. The highest you can stay out is 7 o'clock, but in the city of Port Harcourt, that is the heart of Port Harcourt, we are allowed to do an extra 1 hour 30 minutes. So everybody should be home, or everybody is expected to be home by 8:30. That is what is going on here. So they closed with the wedding finished around 4:30, 5 o'clock, so that everyone that came from far could go back to their various destinations. Then also it was, you know, this thing about June, today being June 12, the protest. A lot of people were just skeptical about coming out. They were not sure if it will be safe to come out. They were not sure if there will be violence or anything. But the truth of the matter is that I'm happy there was no violence, there was no gunshot anywhere within this vicinity where this wedding held. We all came, we all attended. It was quite successful. There was no rain, there was no gunshot, there was no violence of any type, and everyone went home in one piece. And after the wedding, we did like a after party, which was quite interesting. It was held by a few of us who came together, had so much fish, had so much drinks, and we had fun games where we did my friend would say it's supposed to be like a truth or dare, but it's, my friend would say it's concentration, names of hospital, names of banks, names of countries, names of boys and all that. Anyone that fails is forced to drink Campari. Like, I'm sure some people got one drunk, and then anyone that gets the answer, you're allowed to eat fish, like eat from the plate of fish. So it was quite eventful. I can't remember the last time I played that kind of game, and I can't remember the last time I had this much fun. But today, in fact, has been eventful, from my gym workout to the wedding and the entire day has been very exciting for me. So I just decided to come on here and say thank you guys for your love, thank you for your support. To all my new subscribers, I see you guys and I love you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. And to my OGs, see, without you guys, I'm sure Uncle YouTube would have just thrown me out because, or shadow banned me, or I don't know, I don't think I'll be here. But I just want to say thank you so much guys, because I love you guys and I see how amazing you guys are to me. Thank you. Thank you. I don't take it for granted at all. And I'll just go today. Funny enough, I'm home alone, so it's one of those days. I will quickly go shower, look for something to, I don't think eating is on my agenda right now, so I'll go shower and hit the bed because it's already late. It's not late, but it looks like it's late. And I'll see you guys, like I always say, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.
Love every morning, waking up with